What's happening with y'all, man? Y'all know I need to put my seatbelt on. So with y'all, man. Back, man. We're back up in here with another one, man. Truck vlog, man. As y'all can see, man, I am in not my truck. Well, I ain't gonna even say my truck no more because it wasn't my truck to begin with. But on top of that, they sold it. So yeah, started writing up under me, man. So that's probably what this video gonna be about. Mostly. So man, either way, go ahead, man, smack that like button one time and consider subscribing, man, because there's gonna be some pretty nice content on the channel this year, man. So consider subscribing, man, and tap that notification bell. Also, if it ain't too much, man, please visit the website, man, belowNation.creator-spring.com, man. Get y'all some of these, well, I don't have them on right now, but man, hoodies and t-shirts and sweatshirts and long sleeve tees, man, and things of the such, man. Even the tumblers on there, man, you know what I'm saying? Even the tumblers. But yeah, man, I'm out here trucking, man. I'm like an hour away from Memphis, man. And I said, man, let me pick this camera up, man, and vlog for the guys, man. Supposed to be talking about, man, they want to see these truck vlogs, man. So being that I'm out on the countryside today, ain't no telling what I might see. I seen, man, I should have had the camera on earlier, man. I had, man, seen two big old, I don't know if they was eagles or hawks or what they were, man. They was standing out there eating. There was a vulture out there and everything, man. Like, it's crazy. It's eating a skunk. But yeah, I'm out in it. I'm out that way. So yeah, man. About the truck, man. I've been here for some years, man. I've been here for some years, and it's like I got comfortable. I got comfortable with that truck. You know what I'm saying? Just how anybody would. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get comfortable with something, man. You know, you expect to be there all the time. I gotta detach myself, man, from this situation because, for one, it's not mine. It was never intended to be mine. So it's like, man, they trying to get their money. You know what I'm saying? They trying to get their money, so they ain't care about, you know, oh yeah, you attached to that truck, you this, you that. They don't care nothing about that. These companies don't care nothing about that. If, man, you using my equipment, I'm gonna, you know, if I decide to sell it, I'm gonna sell it. If I don't, then alright, cool. But, you know, man, that was my turn right there, wasn't it? Yeah, that was my turn right there. Man, I'm turning around. I'm taking the scene back. Turn around. Hold on, y'all. Hey, y'all, look at this, man. This is, I meant to show y'all, I think I had it in a video. I meant to show y'all this one time, man. It's a lot, man. It's got a whole bunch of like old cars. Like, these are old cars. These got to be 30s and 40s type cars. I want to build one, man. I want to build me an old car like that, like an old truck, like an old tow truck. I want to build one, man. So, yeah. Just thought I'd put that on y'all brain. Some up there. Old tow trucks. Got fire trucks over there. All that. Come on. Yeah, man, I want to build me an old rat rod tow truck or something. Nice house out here in this country, boy. They got 2 lakes in the front yard. Ponds or whatever you want to call them. Got some land out there too. They put some horses out there or something. Come on. OBS over there. See, that's what I like to do, man. I like to come out here and be riding in the country, man. And be seeing all this stuff, man, and where I could be. I'm out here, so it's attainable. It's definitely attainable. I like that cabin looking house right there. I like that. But yeah, man, so I was talking about, you know what I'm saying, the company and how, you know, like I've been here for years, man, you know what I'm saying, like, and you know, like I said, I ain't mad because they getting their money. They sold the truck or whatever, the truck was old in the fleet, whatever. That's fine, that's cool, you know what I'm saying, but then you put me in this little weak ass daycare, you know what I'm saying, like this, it don't even want to pull a trailer up the hill, you know what I'm saying, like, you got if you got a loyal employee, man, you know what I'm saying, that's, you know, down with you for some years, they do what they supposed to do, they know what to do, they have trained other employees, blah blah blah. Like, don't inconvenience them, man. Like, don't make them feel like you don't give a shit. You know what I'm saying? Even though you probably don't make them feel like you don't give a shit. So after this, like, I already know, like, yeah, my days here are limited, man. My days are limited. This is why me and a lot of other people, man, we preach, man, like having your own, like, you know what I'm saying, being your own boss, having your own stuff, man, so you ain't got to worry about how nobody treat you with their stuff. So, and it's kind of, I ain't mad, but it did kind of rub me the wrong way, like, damn, like, this the best y'all could do for me, like, you know, like, I've been here holding it down, y'all just, you know what I'm saying. So, yeah, I can already tell y'all, man, my days are numbered, man. I'm gonna set myself up, man, so I can get up out of here, man. It's just time for me to part away, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't feel like, man, at this point, like, looking at this right here, I don't want to seem like no brat, I don't want to seem spoiled or nothing, but I don't feel like I'm being valued at this point. Like, I don't feel like that. Like, you could have put me in some, you know what I'm saying, you know, to account for what I had the next day. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's been a week. And it's plenty of trucks sitting on the yard that don't even move. You feel what I'm saying? Like, trucks that don't even move. So it's like, how? You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all gotta do better. Y'all, hold on. Like, man, y'all gotta do better, man. Like, y'all ain't even hiding it that y'all don't give a shit. Like, but that's on me though. That's on me. But yeah, man, that's I wanted to come and let y'all know that, man. Now we back here on this countryside now, man. So we about to let y'all see some of this good countryside, man. Just know, man, 2022. I'm 2022, man. 2021 was the last year of bullshit. I ain't taking bullshit no more. So, y'all, man, if you don't mind, man, like I said earlier, man, hit the site, man, belovenation.creator-spring.com, man. Grab y'all a hoodie, a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, whatever, man, because I'm about to be on my own here soon, man. I'm gonna need all the support I can get, man, you know what I'm saying? As far as doing the channel, man, because I mean, I really want to do YouTube full time, so yeah, man, I gotta get these subscribers up. I gotta get everything up, man, because I can't do this no more. That broke my back down. But anyway, here we go, man. Here we go.